Hey, what's up everyone? This is Drew Sanford here from MarineMax Huntington, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of one of our beautiful 2023 Sea Ray 250 SDXs. Come aboard. So here on the transom of the 250 SDX, we have a beautiful and spacious sun pad right here, finished in that dune upholstery, along with the similar colored sea deck throughout. Out towards the back, since this is a stern drive version of the boat, we have our swim step or seat that comes out all the way down, make easy access, along with a ladder on the other side if we don't want the whole seat down. As we walk forward, we have some beautiful index storage all throughout the boat. Most of it is insulated, so we could use it as a cooler, fill it up with ice, and there is a drain hole in the bottom. So now as we walk further into the cockpit, we can see that same backrest that was used for this nice spacious sun pad flips back into its second position to create this really nice U-shaped seating for some great entertaining. This also flips up so we have access to our engine hatch, since this is the stern drive version. This boat is powered with the 6.2 liter Mercruiser V8, putting out 350 horsepower, giving this Sea Ray beautiful performance for water sports, dinner cruises, and anything you throw at it. So now as we walk our way forward to the helm, covered in this beautiful bimini top finished in a black canvas. This is a manual tower, but it gives you some nice shade for those long days out on the boat. But now that we're at the helm, you can see we have a digital dash with a single big SIMRAD screen, giving you access to any of your gauges such as chart plotters, engine performance, or anything else that you need. Fusion stereo, all done through that screen. So here in the cabin of the 250 SDX, we have plenty of space to get out of the sun in this nice berth that could be used for a great little nap, just a little way to get out, or also when you flip up this cushion, you have access to your pump out porta potty, so you could either dump it yourself or have a pump out, which is right on the side, easy access. Now we're going to start walking our way to the bow. Once again, for a 25-foot boat, this is beautifully spacious. Nice wraparound seating with a bench on this side, as well as some U-shaped seating over here. The center cushion is covering another igloo cooler, so we could have plenty of room for some drinks, as well as a mount for our bow table as well. So now we can see with this hatch flipped open, we could see some access to our anchor locker, making everything nice and neat, tucked out of the way when you need it. Which is also something really cool up here, is that bow ladder for getting on and off the beach. Just another way to get out of the water for a nice evening swim or anything else. Just another nice access point. If you think you'd like to check this boat out or anything else we have in stock, come check us out at marinemax.com or give us a call at 631-424-2710. We'll see you then.